What is going on, guys? Back with another recap video. Today is Tuesday. Um, Real quick, just as a reminder. 1 second. So today's news driver was CPI for Euro, and then USD, ISM, manufacturing PMI, as well as JOLTS job openings. Those were the only red folders for today's trade. It is the start of October, uh, also quarter 4, and I slept pretty late, so couldn't wake up early in the morning for the AM session. Woke up just right after the lunch macro, um, which I probably would have traded differently, but because we woke up like just 5 minutes afterwards, this was the trade I decided to take. I was looking to see an extension of my model because, as we see in the lunch macro on the 15-second time frame, we got that liquidity sweep. Uh, you could have entered off of this fair value gap or waited for this liquidity to be swept, but because we did not get that and we started rallying, got those second legs, right, or 3 legs. Again, we're not focused on the legs, but we need to see price tap into certain levels of previous price action to see if it respects that level or if it's rejecting. Um, those are all indicators along with the PD arrays that we're seeking for, which is inverse fair value gaps, then that's what we'll enter off of within the right time, right? So, um, I mean, you could have viewed this as like turtle soup, right? Call that, boom, turtle soup on a lower time frame. Okay, wait for fair value gap. You have this one, doesn't get tapped into. That's fine. That's the breakaway gap. You label that, uh, and wait for a fair value gap opportunity. We don't get any, uh, so probably would not have taken this trade after all. But it is something that we note down. Actual trade, again, since I woke up late, I wanted to see, since I woke up to the same price tap back into fair value gap, maybe then this could be the low optimal trade entries, especially since it's only 4 minutes after the end of the macro. So then price comes back down. Uh, to me, I figured that it would have inversed right here, creating an inverse fair value gap, tap back into here, and then uh, we aim for highs as well as liquidity sitting above here. But we did not get that. We got just choppy conditions um, of just back and forth price action uh, accumulating for a real market move. But so we decided to, or I decided to change direction because I figured price action's gonna want to dig into this liquidity rather than uh, these relative equal highs. So I reversed my position, uh, took a partial about here, right? Um, I think a little bit above the fair value gap, and then we got that rejection back to the inverse fair value gap level, um, where the price chopped a little bit for like a minute or two, and then just shot right back down to where I was hoping for, which was this sell side liquidity. But yeah, after that, that ended the day with about like $160 in profit. Uh, Probably shouldn't have traded today because we did have a massive dump, which was just 400 points, right, of just dumping during the open as well as the New York AM session. But yeah, that was a trade, guys. It was pretty hard read, so it's also kind of hard for me to explain why I took it. Uh, Short answer should have been I should not have traded today, but ended off on a win, so we'll take it. And we're just gonna probably start demo trading the rest of the week because it's getting pretty sloppy now. Not how I imagined Tuesday to be, but it is what it is, and we'll come back. With that, guys, I'm ending it here. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.